we now have an office in the presidency that is driving this, working under obviously the supervision of the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure. We're fortunate to have had someone who's both an engineer, attuned person when it comes to governance, who has been a mayor in a metro, who knows how to get things done. And that's where we are now. We're now getting things done. The shovels are moving. And we're going to see more and more of that happening. The structure that we've got at the government level, which is composed, the PCC, which is composed of premiers, which is composed of a number of ministers, which is composed of the mayors of our metro, gets together to look at all the projects. Now, this in many ways is happening for the first time, where we are able to have an aerial view, but more importantly, we also now have the great benefit of having been able to get commitments from financiers, from funders, that go up to 340 billion rand. Now, these are projects that, yes, we've spoken about a lot in the past, that are now about ready to get moving. And it is why we are saying we are pivoting the recovery process on a number of key priorities. And one of them is infrastructure, yes, mass employment. The mass employment one, we got the money allocated, and I insisted that we needed to have 100 billion rand. And we've now got 19 billion in this budgetary cycle. That is now going to be allocated to the mass employment project. Now, that is now going to get underway. And the spectrum is now going to be issued. And I know that the level of confidence by many people is pretty low, because we've delayed in an inordinate manner to have all these projects done and implemented. But we're now facing a new era, and it is an era of strengthening the capability of the state, of getting things done, and it is going to be implementation after implementation. That is going to happen.